Day 64, week 10. Alright, so it looks like the demo is almost done here in the bathroom. Wow. Okay. Alright, so it looks like the doors are up, all synced, symmetrical. It looks great. This is how it looks like. Alright, so all the doors are assembled. Now I have to put them in there. It's gonna take a little while because the floor is not even, and then this side is a little bit lower and this side is a little bit higher, and the floor itself is not even, so we just have to adjust the height of the doors. So that's one, and the second is gonna be adjusting the floor level because it's a little bit I would say uneven on this side. It's a little bit higher on this side, a little bit lower on this side, so we'll have to adjust that as well. They're working in this closet as well. Tear this one down, spackle, put vinyl here. Day 65, week 10. All right, so the driveway work is ongoing, looks like. So this is gonna be the underlayment, I would say, for the concrete driveway. We're gonna pour concrete on top of this and drill that area so that we can work on the downspout and attach together everything, and goes to this side. 2 cars would be enough. 2 cars would fit on this driveway. I would say like a half would be here and the other half would be on this, so it should be fine. All right, so this is the final look. It looks so nice. We got 4 doors over here. And the molding is in progress. It looks so nice with molding baseboard. This small storage is also painted, looks good. All the doors are installed. Now I will have to work on the trims. So everything looks good. Day 6, week 1, grand project. So just paid about $3,400 for the kitchen cabinets, and we have moved the countertop measurement because the kitchen is not ready yet because my tenants are still there living there, and initially they actually gave us a green light to work on the kitchen, but later on they said they don't want to do that, so now we'll have to wait until they move out, and so that we can work on the kitchen and then put the new cabinets and make it ready for the countertop measurement. So the budget is looking good for the grand project. It's about $4,000 spent right now at this moment, and we'll see later on when we have bigger projects in the bathrooms and plumbing. Day 66, week 10. All right, so waterproofing around the house is done. So it did have some problem over this side of the house in the basement. Whenever it rained, it was sipping down there and going inside the basement. So So looks like this side is not done. This one is done, so we'll have to test it tomorrow with water to see how bad would it be. All right, so these pipes are here. Okay, we're gonna need about 2 more 10-feet pipes like this so that we can connect 2 gutters and downspouts, and then we're gonna do trench drain over there by the garage side. All right, so we got some work here too. I'll take better videos tomorrow. Okay, so this downspout, okay, has to go inside. All right, so got one more room to go, so we'll have to put the window trims, spackle, paint, put the flooring inside, doors here, put lights here. What else we got here? Change out the outlets, connect them. That should be it. Plumbing work, water connection here, silicone, and put grout, and then complete this niche. And this one is not connected to the roof exhaust, so it's got to go all the way to the roof. That's not done yet. And then we'll have air vent covers. Got the handlers, they look good. Gold ones, I like it. All right, so same thing here, gold handles and gold hinges. Day 67, week 10. We got a full gang now here, so hopefully they can finish up most of the projects that are left this weekend, so that we can move on Monday. So we still have about 4 days until Monday. 3 days, I would say. Yeah. All right, so the closet looks like would be done tomorrow. It's a huge closet. And this room, mud work, spackling is almost done. Alright, so the HVAC is connected now to the Freon line, and then AC outside. I'm gonna test it tomorrow probably. So I spent about $611 with some changes for the pipe, and then pipe machine, bending machine, I believe it was. And we need a Freon tomorrow. And demo is done over here, so we don't have a line for the vanity over here because it was connected through the bathtub side, and then it went to here. So now we'll have to connect it through the wall and it goes back to here. So that's gonna be extra work. And this pipe is actually coming from the other storage room. I'll show you what it's for. As I was telling you, we had a water problem here in the basement storage room. So the water was coming down, and then it was sipping down there. Got 4 holes over there, and over here. And it was all going down to that pipe. And through that pipe, it was going to the sewage line. So we tested on the ground outside to see if the water goes inside here, so which did, and then now the waterproof work is in progress. See the results probably by this weekend. Let's see. Day 68 and 69. 2 days until we move to this house. Week 10. Alrighty, the garage door looks great. Love it. It's same color as those concrete blocks over there. Wrought iron, vinyl, same color, white dove. Alright, so it looks like they did a lot of demo here. Cleaning up. Okay. And connected the Freon to the coil. Okay. Looks like our move day is gonna be postponed. So this room is not ready yet. See that they did some mud work here too. So, alright. So it seems like they did connect the flex duct and went through the roof. Let's see. I gotta check the roof if they did that properly. So we got the dimmers here, dimmable switches. This side dim. And how it works. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah, it looks like they did some mud work over here as well. Some patching, looks like. So they're gonna do the second paint of coat. So over here we have outstanding projects. Painting the doors. I believe it's gonna be wrought iron. Cover the beam. And do some caulking. Put the whole baseboards, quarters. Okay, so they did install this one. Okay, looks like they did some model work over here as well. And some big projects are coming up tomorrow and Monday. So over here, plumbing is done, electrical is done. We have tile left, so they'll do it tomorrow. And then connect the drainage and do the threshold and put the doors on. Vanity, connect to the plumbing, electrical, lights, paint. Looks like we have a lot of things to do. Alright, so in this small bedroom, they still have to put finish up the drywall work over there and put the bifold door. Trims around, same thing over there. And over here, we still have to connect all the appliances. Still waiting for the fridge. Actually, they tried to deliver the second fridge. This time around, we got different problem. So when they were putting it down from the truck, they broke the water line. So they took it back. We ordered another one. So it's coming on Wednesday. So that's another hiccup, I would say. And we cannot live here like without fridge, so that has to be working. So, and apparently we won't be ready to move on Monday. I don't think they can finish it like on Monday. So let's check the back of the garage. Okay, it's nicely painted, but I'll check it tomorrow during the day too. Alright, so got 1 and 2 wrought iron stucco masonry paint left. We don't need that anymore, but we can return it, so we'll be probably using it in a different project. All right, so I put the AC over here. It looks like they have already tested. I'm gonna check it tomorrow too, just to make sure everything's good. Day 7 and 8 gram project, week 1 and the beginning of week 2. We got the cabinets delivered and my father-in-law is working on assembling them. So let's see. And then the other contractor actually worked on the basement shower. So we'll see. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 8 gallons of Simply White for the walls. I mean, not fog mist. And Simply White for the ceiling, 2 gallons. So that should be enough. And one, we got Lovely White. I'm not sure, Lively White or what? Lively White says. So I'm not sure what that is. And we have 1 extra gallon of exterior paint. So I'm gonna take this one. It's a pure white. So I'm gonna mix it up and bring it back for the deck. Day 70, last day of week 10. All right, so major electrical work is done. All right, so the electrical panel is being updated here. We don't have enough breakers, so they're getting some breakers. And furnace is being connected to the electrical panel as well. So we got 1 for the furnace and 1 for the AC. That's gonna be outside. So, and we don't have enough 20 amp wires, so the yellow ones, so they're getting 1,000 feet of that as well. We're gonna need them for different projects, like coming up projects. And looks like the drywall is being done here. The thermostat is here. All right, so some touch-up work is done here. It looks like they did some sanding on this side. Same thing here. They did some spackling, and a little bit sanding. The edge, okay, for the closet. And here's the AC. All right, looks good. Everything is connected. It's not tested yet. So they just did some returns in Home Depot, about $200. So I'm gonna go ahead to Kohl's to drop off some Amazon stuff. We're gonna have a lot of returns tomorrow as well to Lowe's and Home Depot. Okay, so just did the return in Kohl's for Amazon.